As the world seeks to minimise the spread of COVID-19, the use of face masks has dramatically increased, resulting in an unforeseen surge of non-biodegradable waste. As we protect ourselves from infection from the pandemic, we are contributing to the crisis faced by the climate, arguably a more devastating problem. Clean Valley Biofiltration Technologies (CIC) is developing a process to extract an antiviral property from sustainably harvested seaweed and create an antiviral biomask. Our North Atlantic seaweed contains an antiviral extract which previously has been used to combat viruses ranging from the common flu to SARS-CoV-2. Clean Valley CIC is harnessing this sustainable seaweed extract to create face masks that will protect everyone, not just its users, providing an aid in the global fight against the pandemic while not damaging the planet. Because this mask uses groundbreaking technology, we need your help to test this product in a controlled lab environment so that we are ready to share it against the upcoming second wave. Our biomask will biodegrade after its effectiveness expires, preventing the plastic waste crisis from overtaking the pandemic in terms of scale. Join us to make a cleaner and safer future.